Hey guys, we're back with another Caudabe case unboxing. So here we have the Veil. This is Caudabe's Impossibly thin protection, as you can see from the description in their catalogue here. It's got an enhanced texture on it like it says there, and it is ridiculously thin. Like, I can't describe how thin this is. It feels like 2 pieces of paper. It's that thin. It's just crazy. It's basically like having a piece of paper around your phone. So it's possibly thin and designed to closely mimic the form and feel of your iPhone. So this thing's going to hug your iPhone like it's basically not there. It's perfect for the minimalist looking for that ultra thin case for their iPhone 12 Pro. So this isn't going to be very good for drop protection. So its impact resistance, as you can see here in their catalog, is extremely low. But the thinness is amazing. It's only really going to help you with a few bumps, scratches, anything like that. It's also compatible with wireless charging and Apple's new MagSafe charger. So that's great. Yeah, this one is definitely new for me. I haven't tried it before, but let's get it on the iPhone 12. So this is the 12 Pro here in Graphite. And we'll just slip it on there. Oh, it almost feels scary to put it on. It's so thin. Don't want to break it. It's very hard to get on in this corner. There we go. You got to flex it out a little bit. And yeah, wow. That is ridiculously thin. So the buttons are flush with the case. So there's no buttons on the case here. These are just cutouts. That's the actual buttons of the iPhone. And same there with the lock button. And with the camera bump, this is a bit different. It does protect the lenses. So there is a little bit of extra raised lip there to protect the lenses. But it's literally just a little bump there to make it a little bit higher than that lens so it doesn't scratch. That's absolutely crazy. You've got your speaker cutouts, lightning port cutout just there. And you can see on that lightning port, if I can focus on that just there, you can see how thin it is. It's just insane. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend this if you're clumsy. You definitely do not want to drop this. The phone is going to take the grunt of the impact if you drop the phone on the floor. So it's got a nice texture. Very, but it's going to help not let that slip out of your hands. And it has got an ever so slight raised lip just there. Sorry. Right there, so it doesn't touch the screen when you lay it face down onto something. And let's check the camera rock. So this one, yeah, this one's definitely got camera rock. You can see there. The Caudabe sheath that we've unboxed already, you can check that out on my channel. We've got the whole lineup of Caudabe cases coming up, so check them out on the channel. They'll be up soon. The Caudabe sheath doesn't have anywhere near that amount of rock because the case is a little bit thicker, but this has a lot of rock. This would feel exactly like if you didn't have a case on your phone, which is what it's meant to feel like. So in that regard, I guess it does its job. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. We've got a couple more coming up, so check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.